£10 in the UK can't even buy a cup of coffee, but £10 in China can buy you a pair of sneakers. So my question is, why are you still buying products or items at high prices locally in the UK when you can import them directly from China, the world's largest factory in the world? Well, if you're an immigrant or native in the UK, this video is meant for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to import from China yourself like a pro without even getting a visa to travel to China. All you need is this video, your internet, your mobile phone, and you learn how to import from China by sitting at the comfort of your home. As an immigrant in the UK, you can save more money by importing from China instead of buying it locally. If you are new here, I am the founder of DAKS Import and Export Trading. We are a registered trading company based in China. And if you need anything from China, contact us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit on the notification bell for more videos like this. Here's how it works. First, if you want to import from China, you need to find a supplier or a manufacturer of the product you want to buy. Before you think about the supplier, that means you already have an idea of the product you want to import. Several Chinese e-commerce apps. With the e-commerce apps, we have apps in English language like Alibaba, Made in China, AliExpress, and we have apps in Chinese language, that is 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idealfish, and so many. The English apps is made for foreigners, and the Chinese language apps is made for native Chinese. So just analyze this. If products are made in China and we have apps made for Chinese and some made for foreigners, which of them will be cheaper? Well, definitely the Chinese e-commerce apps will be cheaper. Hence, buying from the Chinese e-commerce app will save you a lot of money as compared to buying from apps like Alibaba, which is in English language. But the challenge is, if you cannot speak Chinese language as I can do, you might be finding it difficult to navigate through this app. But you don't have to worry. It is because of you that I came to China to study Chinese language for several years, so that I will teach you in this video how to import from China using the Chinese e-commerce app easily without facing any challenge. Each of these apps has its own challenges, advantages and disadvantages. So if you want to import from China, I will advise you, make sure that you know how to import from any of these apps. Now, after finding the products you want to import from China and finding the supplier, the next important thing is payment. Some of the Chinese apps do not support international payment system like debit card, MasterCard whilst you are in the UK. Hence, you need a third party like DAKS Import and Export Trading get you the Chinese currency popularly known as renminbi, RMB to pay you for the products. After that, you need to find an address in China where you can buy your products and ship it to that address. If you're importing from China, that means that you are buying from different suppliers all together. After payment, you need to find an address in China or warehouse in China that can receive all the products you have bought and consolidate them. Buying from these apps means you are buying from different suppliers all together. Therefore, the best method is get a logistics or a warehouse in China that can consolidate your items. Consolidation means that you are buying from the supplier A, B, C, D. They all come to one warehouse like DAKS Consolidation Service. They will receive the product, they will unbox it, then they will package them in a big carton. This will save space, reduce shipping fee, and also inspection. If you are importing from China, you should know that in China you can have 3 suppliers producing the same design or product like this, but the difference will be price and quality. Some will be selling this for $20 or £20, some 15, some 10, some 5. The same design, the same look, but the difference is the quality and the price differs. So that is why after buying these products from these apps, you need to get a warehouse in China that can send you real pictures of the items. Sometimes some suppliers will not send the total quantity of products you are buying. Hence, you need to get a warehouse in China who can be sending you pictures of this product, because if you buy from any of these apps, you will be given 7 days after receiving to apply for refund if you are not satisfied with the product. That is why you need a third party like DAKS consolidation service to receive the product, inspect it, send you real picture even if you are in the UK, and then from there you can decide whether you like to refund the product or keep it, so that we arrange shipment to you from China to the UK. Now, after consolidation, the next important thing is shipment. Now, there are several methods to ship to the UK. We have shipping by air, which is faster but expensive, and shipping by sea is cheaper but takes a long time, about 30 to 45 days before it arrives in the UK. Now, the items you are buying and the quantity of items will determine the best method to ship from China. We also have railway shipment from China to the UK as well. But the quantity and the type of product will determine the items, the shipping method you should use to ship from China to the UK. I won't advise you to use air when your products are heavy and big, more shipping fee, which will be almost like buying from the UK. So smart importers or businessmen in the UK, they use sea shipping method. Why sea shipping method? Because the shipping fee is cheaper. Well, if you don't consolidate your products, it means you'll be paying more shipping fee. So smart importers consolidate their products in China using consolidation service like DAKS consolidation service, who remove all the boxes of each item, throw them away, and package them together in one big carton to reduce the sizes and the space. So after doing that, the next important thing is custom clearance from China. Well, with custom clearance, it will depend on the quantity of item. We have two types of shipping method, that is LCL and FCL. FCL is full container load and LCL is less container load, meaning that less container load is you cannot buy so many items, but you will bring some item, another customer will bring another item, and a logistics like that logistics will consolidate everything together, combine them, and then fill a container and ship it to you in the UK. If you are filling the whole container with only your items, then you need to do custom clearance in China before you can ship these items from China to the UK. However, if you are using logistics like ours, you don't need to do that. We will handle all this stress and struggle to go through custom clearance in China and then shipping to the UK. UK too, you have to do custom clearance as well. But if you use our logistics service, we will handle all these things for you. And there are so many different methods of shipment. But the best I recommend for you if you are shipping LCL, that is less than container load, is DDP, delivered duty paid. This means that after we have received your product in our warehouse, consolidated them, we will take charge of clearance in China, shipment to the UK, clearance in the UK, and also deliver to you in your doorstep. This is so easy and so comfortable for you if your quantity is not much, if you are not filling a whole full container with only your products. If you are filling a whole container, then I advise you can handle all these things yourself. Then you can receive your product in the UK. Now, the UK is so sensitive and respects trademarks, brands, and all those things. So they make sure that they always protect brands, trademarks. So if you are importing copy of a popular brand to the UK, you need to know that you have to pay penalty for this product, especially when you are shipping by air. So when you are shipping by air, I will advise you to ship only products you need urgently. For example, samples. It's very easy to ship them from China to the UK. Samples which are less heavy, you won't spend much money with that. But if you are buying branded products, you can still ship them to the UK by sea when it's less than container load easily as compared to air. So I will always advise you, prepare in advance, buy your things so that they will arrive if there's delay in shipment from China to the UK. This is basically the easiest way to import from China. If you still need deep training, consultation about how to start business from China to the UK, contact us. We are a registered trading company with 8 years experience living and doing business in China, and we can help you avoid making costly mistakes. Don't import from China blindly. Smart importers or beginners ask, how can I book consultation with DAKS import and export trading to avoid making costly mistakes? They don't worry how much will I be charged for the consultation. If you avoid this video to this end, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, because in doing so it motivates me to bring videos like this to help you import from China easily, whether for your personal use, for business. I'm here for you. That is why we are here. Until then, let me know in the comment section any challenge you have faced from shipping, importing from China to the UK, and we are here to help you. Click in the link in the description box to follow our platform, join our groups for importation from China to the UK. If you need a training on importing from China, you can also click in the link, contact us, and we'll train you how to start or import from China like a pro. Until then, share ni me 大家欢迎你来到中国。